Hello from the Colony Library. This is a tutorial on our January Take and Make paper quilling snowflake. So paper quilling is a craft that has been around as long as paper has been around. And once you learn how to do the technique, you can be really creative. So we're excited to share this with you today. All you need are scissors, a ruler, some glue, the paper quilling tool you picked up from the library, the paper strips, and you can follow along to this tutorial, or you can follow along the directions that were included in your bag. So what we're going to do first is take the long strips of paper that you got, and you're going to measure out 10 inches and go ahead and cut all of the strips that you received in your packet. I believe you should have 12 10-inch strips of paper. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to teach you different shapes to make, and all the shapes that we show you today are enough to make our snowflake. There's many more shapes that you can find online, or you can certainly experiment with yourself. To use the quilling tool, you just pick it up like a pencil, and it's like a needle. It just has a slot right in the top that you're going to thread. Of course, there's no block on it, so you can just slip and slide the paper right in. To quill, all you do is spin. It's basically just curling your paper and making tight circles. So you're just twisting and twisting and twisting. You can see I'm just kind of holding the paper down with my thumb, twisting with my dominant hand, and twisting against my finger, my pointer finger. And just, pressing firmly enough that I can twist it and it doesn't get loose. If it got loose, then it would start to unwind. So once you have it done, what I do is I hold the piece that would unwind and I put my tip of my pointer finger at the edge and push off the paper with my other hand. And you see we have a curled circle. The middle of the snowflake is this shape, is the curled circle. So what you would do is just add a little glue to the edge, hold it down, and wait for that to dry. You can use Elmer's glue, you can use tacky glue. I just happen to have a glue stick here today. So this would be the center of your snowflake. You can see it right there. So the first shape we're going to do is the teardrop shape. For that shape, and this is the trick to quilling, what you do is you I have to undo that a little bit. Let the paper unwind. Oops. This one was wound tight. It didn't even unwind when I dropped it. But you're going to let it unwind. And then what you'll do to get your teardrop is you're going to pinch one edge of it. And that's your teardrop shape. The second shape we're going to show you is called the eye. Again, you would go ahead and glue it, wait for it to dry, and then you would pinch both edges to make the eye shape. And in this snowflake, you can see here's a previously done teardrop, a previously done eye. These get glued. The teardrops are around the middle, and then the eyes are the second row. And then the last thing to learn for this design is the antenna. So those small pieces that you have from what you had cut out from the 10-inch piece are what you are going to use to make your antenna. So here is the shorter piece. You're going to go ahead and fold it down the center. And then you're going to take your quilling tool. And this time you're going to twist towards the outside of that fold. Sometimes you need your reading glasses to get this on here. Okay, there we go. And you're going to twist down as far as you'd like to towards that fold and just pull off the twist. And then do the same thing on the other side. Pull off that twist. And you have your antenna shape. That would go right in here. So the reason we have the tin foil is once you lay all these pieces down and add some glue, you want to be able to peel them off easily from the tin foil piece that you have. We included a ribbon for you to hang your quilled snowflake. You can put it in a window. It's certainly neat to do that since you can see through it. It looks pretty cool once it's up in the window. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. And please remember to bring back your quilling tool to the library so we can do this take and make again in the future. Thanks for watching.